welcome back to our continuing coverage of the political crisis in Tamil Nadu. Even as Vijay has met with Governor of Tamil Nadu, Rajendra Adlekar, for the second time at the Lok Bhavan here in Chennai, the meeting has led to, of course, the Governor inviting or in fact telling Vijay that he can form the government providing that he gives letters of support of all the MLAs, and also now breaking updates coming in that DMK will not stop the smaller parties from going ahead and tying up with TVK. This is a big scoop that is now coming in. Dharani joining us. Dharani, does this clear all the decks as far as the support of the smaller parties, VCK, CPI, CPM, whose numbers may be small, but together they are crucial in government formation as far as TVK is concerned? Are they going to be able to convince them to now join the government? Somit is with us as well on that. Somit, this now becomes a moot point. Will those 6 MLAs, the numbers that they need to form the government, will they be able to get those numbers together from VCK, CPI and CPM?
Well, that's big, because actually TVK is waiting for them, and they've already formally, because initially few mediators have, when we spoken to the VCK chief, he stated that few mediators have approached them, but they are waiting for the formal formal invite from the TVK. So now formal invite has already been given from the TVK side, but both actually to all the left parties, to the CPI, CPM and the VCK. So as of now, the meeting is underway with the Stalin, and what we got to understand is that very short while from now, actually we are standing and reporting from the Stalin's residence, and a very short while from now they'll also be coming out, concluding the meeting. And what we are given to understand is that DMK has stated that they don't have any problem with the smaller parties, smaller political ally parties, to go and extend support to the Vijay. So this is very big decision coming in, and we'll have to wait and see what will be the decision taken by the VCK chief and CPI and CPM leaders. Already VCK has hinted out, mainly the sources also stated that they are ready to extend support to the TVK, and CPI, CPM, they are waiting for the executive meeting to be concluded, and then after the executive meeting is done, then they can take call and whether or not to extend support to the TVK. So this is very big. Short while from now we will get to understand what is going to happen, and one side meeting is underway, the other side TVK is trying to gather the number, get the number so that they can go ahead with this chief minister's ceremony.
All right, and we have more updates coming in. At this point of time, we are told that the numbers have been assured by TVK to the governor when they met today. The governor has said that they will have to give letters of support, to which the TVK has said that they have the numbers, and those letters of support will be submitted shortly by TVK to the governor's house. So that's a quick update coming in as well. Let's quickly take that across to Pratibha. Pratibha, it's now all in the realm of how quickly TVK can give those letters of support to the governor's house and then go ahead and be sworn in, or Vijay be sworn in as the next Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. The question is, how soon will they be able to do that?
Yes, because as of now, the CPI and CPIM have come out and said that they will not create hurdles for Vijay to be the Chief Minister. But are they ready to actually give that letter of support? Because the governor has been very clear. He wants a letter of support to Vijay. And this comes at a time when we just got the update as well of the meeting that is taking place with the former Chief Minister Stalin, where he is said to have said that there is no issue with the smaller constituents going with Vijay. Now, this response of the DMK is completely different from how they reacted with the Congress party allying with the TVK. While DMK had called that backstabbing, they have given a go-ahead for the smaller parties to ally with the TVK if they need me. So when will the TVK get these letters of support? Will there be another meeting with the governor, or will it be sent across to the governor, after which that swearing-in ceremony will take place? That's the big question. At the TVK headquarters, if I can just show you around, the supporters have been waiting, Madhav, since morning. There are multiple supporters of the TVK.
Let's quickly stay with us. Pratibha, there's some